So I have 3 field agent gigs at the same store. They only pay $3, but with 3 of them, I'm going to make $9. I'm going to screen record it and try to do this in about 5 minutes, and then you can decide for yourself if this is a side hustle you want to do. So the trick when you're doing multiple gigs at the same store is choose ones that you're walking past. Try not to walk back and forth. So I knew this store pretty well, so I did the herbicide and pesticide gig first. This was $3, literally just one picture because the herbicides and the pesticides were all on the same shelf and there was no displays. So now I'm going to the next question, pest control. Don't worry if everything's on the same shelf. You could just take the same picture twice, which I'm going to be doing a lot over the course of these 3 gigs. Last question was a freestanding display. Any display that they didn't ask for that is not an end cap. It's a glitch that says it's blurry, but always double check it because that picture wasn't blurry. So now I'm going to the next one. You saw how fast that first one went. That one is always super easy, especially in stores that aren't like Home Depot or Lowe's. So now this next gig is going to ask for skincare. So this was a couple aisles down, and the skincare and the body care were all in the same section. So these 2 pictures were for facial skincare, and then the next pictures are going to be for hand and body cream, which was all on the same shelf. So just 2 pictures for this one. Now the next one that it's going to ask for is going to be shaving, and in this specific store there was only one shelf with all the men's and women's shaving products, so that question is done. We're moving right along. Last question is going to be lip care, which could be a little bit hard to find, so now I'm walking over to the lip care. It was on this shelf here. They had like Gold Bond, some other stuff. Now it's asking for the freestanding display. At the end of all of these gigs, they ask for a freestanding display. So just take a quick picture while you're walking through the store. So that's 2 down in 2 minutes. Now we're going to the next one. Again, it gave me that glitch saying it was blurry when it wasn't. But 2 gigs are down. Now let's do the last gig. This one took the most amount of time. First, I wanted the baby food and snacks. So I'm in the baby aisle over here. There was just a couple of shelves with the baby food and snacks. So I got those pictures. This is the baby food right here. There we go. 1 picture, 2 picture. Notice how I take these pictures as I'm walking to save time, and then someone got in my way. And then for some reason, they included water. So now the next question is going to be for the whole shelf of water. And I ran into a problem here as I was walking into the aisle. There was someone stocking up stuff. They were right in my way. So I had to ask the guy if he could move his little cart thing so I could get my pictures and not be too close. Always just be polite, and the people usually move out of your way. I fast forwarded this, sped it up a little bit for you guys, but it's the same exact thing that I did in all the other gigs, just getting nice, clear pictures of the whole shelf. And then it had a little display of water. So on the display section, I did that. So far, super easy. This was the easiest $9 that I ever made. It took about 7 to 10 minutes to make $9. So in that case, it was definitely worth it. So these $3 gigs could really add up. So click the links down below, sign up for Field Agent, and start making money today.